Let's see if I have 30 purple fidgets. All right, so let's just start with number 1. 2. Oh, my monkey nails are going everywhere. 2. Let's go over here. 3. 4. This is dough. 5. 6. Oh my goodness. 6. I have a lot of purple mochis. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19, little guy. All right, let me just put this back. I'll be right back. All right, I'm at 19. 20. I'm not gonna count this. 20. Oh boy. 20. 21. Here's some cloud sand. The other one was dough. 21. Where's number 22? 21. Oh, 22. 23. 24. I mean, this color changes to purple, but I would say it's pink. Oh no. 24. Oh boy, I might not have 30. I for sure thought I did. Oh no. Oh no. I need 6 more. Oh boy. Oh no. I don't have 30 purple fidgets. I thought for sure I would. Well, see you for 20 blue fidgets. Bye.